talk about terrestrial biomes. Let's start off talking about the tundra. The tundra tends to be cold. It has permafrost. Essentially what that means is the soil is permanently frozen. And because of this, decomposition is very slow. Also because of permafrost, there are no trees because the roots of the trees can't get down deep enough to support the tree above because the soil is frozen. It's treeless and has low growing shrubs. Here, the growing season is only about 4 months long. There is also very little precipitation. Then we have the taiga, also known as the boreal forest. It is cold, but because we don't have permafrost, we can actually have trees in this area. They tend to be coniferous evergreens. The soil tends to be nutrient poor and not a whole lot of precipitation, but more than the tundra. Then we have the temperate rainforest. Temperate rainforests tend to be coastal, have mild temps, rainy winters, foggy summers, lots of precipitation, large trees, and slow decomposition. Then we have the temperate seasonal forest. Here we have warm summers, cool winters, a decent amount of rain or precipitation, lots of deciduous trees, and fairly fertile soil. Then we have the woodlands, shrublands, also known as chaparral. These areas tend to be dry summers, a little bit of rainy winter, but not a whole bunch. Somewhat nutrient poor because of the leaching that happens due to the rainy winter, and natural wildfires occur here often. Then we have the temperate grassland, or also known as the cold desert. Here we're going to have hot, dry summers, cold, harsh winters. Fires tend to be common, and lots of deep root systems here. So we can have a good amount of nutrient in the soil. Then we have the tropical rainforest. We have consistently warm temperatures, rainy most of the time. These areas are mostly equatorial. We have lots of decomposition, and it loses fertility quickly. Then we have the tropical seasonal forest, also known as the savanna. Here we have warm temperatures, tend to have a rainy season, and a long dry season. And lastly, we have the subtropical desert. Here it is hot, it is dry, there's very little vegetation. And that is terrestrial biomes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.